Hey guys, what's up? So in this video today we are going to be unboxing the BOYA by-M1 microphone, which is used by a lot of other YouTubers as well. And as you can see over there, that is the sticker of authentication which is given by BOYA, and there is a hologram on it, which means that it is original. So as you can see over there, there is a compatible versions. It is compatible with smartphone, camcorders, DSLR, audio recorders, and it can also be used in PC. The right side has the same print that is on the left side as well. There are features on the top, and then there's specifications, and there is the pricing detail. As you can see, it says 2000 on this, but in the end I'm going to be telling you how much the original cost is and how much I purchased it for. So without any further ado, let's directly jump in and unbox and see what comes inside the box. Let's now unbox and see what comes inside the box. So yeah, the first thing that seems to be inside the box is the mic cover, and what other thing that seems to be an adapter which you can use it to be connected to an amplifier. The other thing, this is the instruction manual, which is in English and in Chinese as well. So let's put it aside for now. This is the mic. It actually comes in a foam leather kind of cover. Let's put it aside for now and let's see what comes inside the box. There are two Boya stickers, and what seems to be like a warranty card. This is the warranty card. As you can see, that is the company uh, that is manufacturing the product. The other thing that comes in the box is the clip, which you can use it to connect to your mic, and which can be connected to your, I mean, you can clip it onto your t-shirt or shirt while you're making a video. And this is a battery. I'll show you where to put it within few seconds. So yeah, that's it. That comes inside the box. Let's put the box aside. Let's concentrate on the mic now. The cover seems to be like a foam leather kind of cover, which is actually soft and actually gives protection to the mic. If at all it falls down when it's in the cover, it's gonna be safe. But yeah, that's a silicone thing. Let's put it aside. The wire is actually seems to be pretty long. uh, let's find out how long this is. I'm going to be showing this in the end of the video, but yeah, this is what I was talking about. As you can see, there's two features, that is camera and off slash smartphone. So it can be connected to camera, which the adapter is, and then the smartphone. And if you rotate it, you will have a place to put the battery that was actually shown before. So when you put that battery and get it connected to the camera, there will be no error or no kind of uh, differences in the audio when you use it. Yeah, let's put it back and let's put it let me show the mic now. So this cover is going to be going on top of uh, this thing. So it's going to be covering it so that there will be no audio errors or anything that will be coming out. Like if you're outside, it will not catch any air or anything. But yeah, this is how the product is. Let me show you how long the wire is now. So this is how the foam on the mic is going to be looking if you add it, and if you don't, I mean, you have to use it obviously. But now let's talk about the length. The best thing about this mic is the length you're going to be having. So as you can see, I've not opened it, this part of the wire, but as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is a very long wire you get with the mic, so that is going to be an advantage if you are going to be using it from a very far area. But for a very small area, it's not going to be that much of a use here. It will be wasted. So you can just, what you can do is keep it like this and use it. But yeah, let's check out the quality now. I have now connected the mic and I hope the sound quality is coming out nice. Let's find out, because I have not even used it and I can't tell you how the quality of the sound is. But hopefully it is better than what my previous mic used to give out. So yeah, this is how the sound quality is going to be turning out. And I've actually seen this mic being used by other YouTubers as well. So I hope this is very good. And yeah. this was all for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please do not forget to leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around here. My name is Gaurav. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.